I'm gonna be rocking this thing. It's the Rockstar. I'm gonna rock it in 3, 2, 1. This is awesome. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. I'm rocking this thing off. Like I've never in my life. Rock it out like this. Yeah. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. Everybody do it. You should go and love yourself. You should care about yourself more than me. The second thing is moving. Play video games all day long, all day long. Do, all day long. But baby, close your eyes now, 'cause it's all Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, sorry. Have I bothered you? No. Autograph.
Oh, yes, I did for my biggest fan. Yay!
Okay, dude. Thank you for watching Angry Bird the Rockstar. Please subscribe, leave a like, add a good comment, and share. I know, right? It's so cool to like and share to the night. Thank you for watching again, Angry Bird Rockstar, and again, please subscribe to Take the Awesome Gamers channel, and we need 500 likes if we want more. Goodbye!